What's up, YouTube? It's Angel. I'm back with another video. Today. Today is about starting an online business, specifically through Instagram. Right now, I'm making a course. I'm almost finished. This is so overdue about how to use Instagram, being a business through Instagram. Instagram being like the main platform that you're using to promote your business on, or even just branding yourself and becoming an influencer through Instagram. And I not only go through that, but I also go through it's about 4 different ways that you can use Instagram to either make a business or make money. Yes, Amari? If you haven't watched my videos before, basically I go over personal development, I go over ways to make money from home, whether that be through different apps or starting businesses and just different websites that you can make money from, that I've been doing myself for the past few months, that has allowed me to pay the bills and take care of my kids and be home with them. I feel like there's a lot of stuff that people don't understand what's actually happening. Like when I talk to friends of mine or stuff like that, I would talk to them like about how like I was trying to grow my Instagram, and so that's gonna be like why I post on there so much and everything. They had no idea like about a lot of what I was talking about, but it was also interesting for them to to learn. And when I learned about these things as well, I was really interested. I've always been wanting to know how to work from home. Finally, I started discovering women and men that are doing courses to teach you. Instagram is constantly updating it with new ways for you to reach out to your customers, find out what your customers are into and what they want to see from you. Instagram influencer. I'm like so surprised that some people don't know what an Instagram influencer is. So an Instagram influencer, I know you see all those females on Instagram that have the flat tummy tea and they're like, yes, we need to buy this, getting my tummy all flat. Fashion Nova, they're always advertising Fashion Nova. And they advertise these things so much, you're like, are they getting paid for this? Does this stuff even work? Does it work? I don't know, maybe, but they are getting paid for that. And they get paid to post other companies' products, and they get paid a lot. And sometimes they get paid just to post it, or sometimes they get paid for every sale that they make. They send you an outfit, send you the outfit for free, and then take a picture in the outfit. They give you a discount code, 9 times out of 10, and if you see them wearing the outfit on your Instagram feed, you're like, yes, this outfit is so cute, she looks so good on it, I know I'm gonna look better, so I'm gonna go order it and I'm gonna use her discount code, because why wouldn't I need a discount? And then they get some commission off your sale, and then boom, they start racking up that money every month. I don't know if it pays out every month or every week, but yeah, they make a living off of that. And they probably start their own brand. Post on Instagram daily. Interact with your followers. Create a brand for yourself, or market yourself as an Instagram influencer, and start growing your Instagram and really educating yourself on how you can make money through Instagram, because I think that it's so amazing. In 2018, you have the world at your fingertips on your phone and your laptop. You can start a business. You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't need to go open like a real whole store and get all the license and paperwork for that. You can start a business online with hardly any money. That's the best part about it. You don't need to go to school for years to do this. The knowledge, the resources and knowledge that you need is out there on the internet. Digital products. Just reminded me. Digital products are a way to make a lot of money every month, and you don't have to do that much. You make your website, you make the digital product. First, you learn what digital products are, what your options are, how do you make one, what do you want it to be about. Make a website, and then you start selling the product. You just have to drive traffic to the product. If you're driving enough traffic to it, then you're going to be making a good source of income. Educate yourself on how exactly you do that, and then you start taking action to do it. And I just wanted to introduce that idea to people, and also let you know that I do have that course coming out that's going to have so much more information. Enjoyed this video, and you would like to know more ways if you would like to know more ways to make money online, personal development videos, and things of that nature, so subscribe to my channel. I just started it. I'm so excited to be able to share all of my knowledge and also learn with you guys, because I'm learning as well. I'm still in the process of changing my life, bettering myself, and also growing different kinds of businesses and seeing what works for me, and how exactly you do certain things. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe. Watch my last video, $500 on Poshmark, or is it how I made $500 on Poshmark? Something like that. Yeah, so check that video out. It's a great app that you can resell clothes on. Anybody can do it. Get you some extra money in every month. Like this video, subscribe, comment, let me know if you have any questions. Follow my social media. Instagram and Twitter name is YASITS Angel. Yeah. Thanks, guys.